Back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to restart Birdfy camera when it would not reconnect. So guys, if you want to restart the Birdfy camera when it would not reconnect, so guys, first of all, to restart the Birdfy camera that would not reconnect, perform a full reboot using the reset pinhole to clear out the temporary glitches. Unplug the camera from any charging cables or solar panel. Okay, then guys, locate the small reset reboot pinhole under the silicone cover near the power button, and you use the ejector pin or the straightener paper clips to press and hold the button from about 1 second until the camera shut down. Then press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn it on, and wait for 1 to 2 minutes for the camera to boot up and reconnect. If a basic restart does not bring the camera back online, so you may need to the factory reset and repair your devices. After that, how to factory reset and repair. So if the camera fails to reconnect after restarting, so its network credentials like need to be wiped and set up from the scratch. For this guys, first of all, open your Birdfy app and go to the device setting and remove the camera from your account. Then guys, press and hold the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds until you hear a prompt or see the indicator flashlight and confirming the previous Wi-Fi data has been erased. Then double press the power button to enter the Wi-Fi configuration mode. The camera should emit a chime and the blue light should flash. Then guys, open the Birdfy app, then tap the option of plus icon and select the Birdfy feeder and follow the on-screen instruction to scan the QR code and connect to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. So if your Birdfy camera is continuously having the connection issues, so consider moving the camera and closer to your router or installing a Wi-Fi extender, as the 2.4 GHz signal may be too weak to maintain the stable connection. Okay, so this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.